Are your kids always leaving the lights on? Installing a smart light switch is so easy with the free BILT app. Smart lights hook up to your Alexa or your Google Home, and they can be automated. But installing them can be tricky because you have to wire everything just right. That's where the BILT app comes in. BILT has 3D interactive guides to build and install a variety of products right the first time, like this smart switch. BILT shows each step of the installation so you can work at your own pace, and you can zoom in and turn and tap the guide to learn more on each step. It will tell you how many people you need for your project, how much time, and what tools you'll need. BILT has thousands of interactive guides to help you build furniture or install flooring or fix your leaky faucet or switch out your ceiling fan. If you've been wanting to tackle a project like this, the BILT app is the perfect companion because you can feel confident that you did it right. Download the free BILT app from the App Store or Google Play to tackle your next project. Hey Google, turn off the laundry room light.
Sure, turning off the laundry room.